Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about navy beans, and I have a list of some tips and ideas for you for using navy beans. So if you're looking for something a little different to do with them, want some new meal or recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. This list was long. I broke it up into two parts, and this is part two. To see the part one video, check the description box below and I'll have a link to that video. Make sure you watch them both so you can get the full list. Why not add navy beans to a pasta dish? Make a navy bean soup. Why not make a plant-based veggie burger that includes navy beans? Add navy beans to tacos or quesadillas. Why not make a batch of your own baked beans? Navy beans are typically used in making baked beans, so why not make them yourself? You could include navy beans in any beans and rice dish you choose. When you make that recipe of baked beans, try a British favorite by serving baked beans over a thick slice of crusty toasted bread, and then put your beans on top of that and then sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top of that, and you'll eat like they do in the UK. Why not add some cooked mashed navy beans to your mashed potatoes? That would be an excellent side dish. It would add some richness and creaminess and some added nutrition to the potatoes as well. Why not add some cooked navy beans in place of pasta, potatoes, or a grain in casseroles or soups? Navy beans, like a lot of beans, cooked from dried, can be somewhat bland on their own until they are seasoned. You can help in the seasoning process by adding some seasonings during the initial cooking process. This is after they've been soaked, but when you're getting ready to cook them. You can add onion, garlic, celery, black pepper, and herbs of choice. Some of those could include rosemary, thyme, sage, parsley, cilantro, and or bay leaves. Yes, you can add some salt, but it's best not to add the salt right away. You want to wait at least 30 minutes after everything's come to a boil before you add the salt in there. If you add salt or salty ingredients too early on, it's going to cause the outer skin of the bean to kind of seize up and be tight, and they'll take longer to cook. Yes, they will eventually cook, but they will take longer to cook, and you might not want to bear through that process. So just hold off a little bit on adding any salt until at least 30 minutes into it. If a recipe calls for navy beans and you don't have any, or you don't have enough of them on hand, you could substitute cannellini beans or Great Northern beans for the navy beans. Why not? They're white beans. They might look a little different, but they'll work. I do hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.